Once you have checked all your modular units and verified them accordingly, you can now move forward to enabling them for manufacturing. Here you can see that in this particular section, there is 26 non-enabled ones and there are 0 enabled ones right now. So to enable units for manufacturing, you can click on this option here, enable units for manufacturing, and here you'll be able to see the units that are part of this design and you can select which units you want to enable for manufacturing. Ideally, the units should be verified for you to move forward to manufacturing, and you can see the section verified units which are automatically kept selected, and below you can see the unverified units as well. You can click on this and see all the units which are unverified right now. You can select any unit from here as well if you want. So here you can see that in verified units there are totally 2 units and 16 panels, out of which I have selected 2 units and 16 panels completely. And in the unverified section there were 24 units and 198 panels, out of which I have selected 1 unit and 20 panels. You can also click on the option here to select the entire section. So you can see I can bulk select everything here if I select in this particular area. So here I can see 24 units selected, 198 panels. So now the total selection will be shown here for you, and you will also have the option here that once you have enabled these panels, it will be considered for billing irrespective of whether you take the final output or not. So always make sure that you have verified, checked everything, and you are good to go for manufacturing before you enable these units. So once you have enabled, let's say I'm selecting only one out of this now and I'm enabling 3 units. So you can see that this has successfully been enabled, and in this project now I have 3 enabled units for manufacturing and I have 23 not enabled ones which I have not yet checked or enabled for manufacturing. Please understand that verifying a unit is not equal to enabling it for manufacturing. You will be priced at a per panel level only when you enable a particular modular unit for manufacturing.